Have you ever looked around your house and thought, wow, so many things live here with me? There's the sofa that loves hugs, the lamp that shines like the sun, and even the toothbrush that wiggles and giggles on your teeth every morning. Today, we're going on a little house adventure to find out the names of 50 everyday items. So open your eyes wide, point your finger, and get ready to shout the words with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start in the living room. This is a sofa. Sofa. This is a chair. Chair. This is a table. Table. This is a lamp. Lamp. This is a television. Television. This is a remote control. Remote control. This is a rug. Rug. This is a clock. Clock. This is a book. Book. This is a pillow. Pillow. Great job! Now let's walk into the kitchen. This is a cup. Cup. This is a plate. Plate. This is a spoon. Spoon. This is a fork. Fork. This is a knife. Knife. This is a bowl. Bowl. This is a pot. Pot. This is a fridge. Fridge. This is a stove. Stove. You're doing great. Now let's tiptoe into the bedroom. Shh, don't wake the teddy bear. This is a bed. Bed. This is a blanket. Blanket. This is a pillow. Pillow. This is a wardrobe. Wardrobe. This is a mirror. Mirror. This is a toy. Toy. This is a teddy bear. Teddy bear. These are shoes. Shoes. These are socks. Socks. These are pajamas. Pajamas. Well done! Now let's splash into the bathroom. This is soap. Soap. This is a toothbrush. Toothbrush. This is toothpaste. Toothpaste. This is a towel. Towel. This is a comb. Comb. This is shampoo. Shampoo. This is a toilet. Toilet. This is a bathtub. Bathtub. This is a bucket. Bucket. This is a brush. Brush. Awesome! You're doing great! Finally, it's time to clean up. Let's visit the laundry. This is a broom. Broom. This is a mop. Mop. This is a dustpan. Dustpan. This is a washing machine. Washing machine. This is a laundry basket. Laundry basket. This is an iron. Iron. This is a hanger. Hanger. This is a clothespin. Clothespin. This is a sponge. Sponge. This is a spray bottle. Spray bottle. Wow, you learned 50 everyday household items. Thumbs up to you. You did amazing! Remember, the more you watch and repeat, the better you learn. Thank you for learning with Todd's and Grades. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun preschool learning videos. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye! Astronauts fly to the moon. Her name was Katherine G. Johnson. Can you say Katherine?
Catherine.
Great job. She was super smart, super brave, and super good with numbers. When Katherine was a little girl, she